Okay, so, sorry. We're on screen? Yeah, okay, so here's the first test. Alright, so tell me about that.
So this one, I started at number 2.
Okay.
So I knew that because 1 has to be an answer that's not an answer to any other question.
Right.
So 2 can't be 1.
Okay.
And 2 can't be 5 or 3 because this is the only question with the same answer as this one, and 5 and 3 are gonna, actually it could have been 5 and 3, but I didn't do 5 and 3.
Okay.
But I went with 4.
Alright.
So 4 and 5 have the same answer. First question, whose answer is A? It's 5.
Yep.
So 5 has to be A.
Okay.
And so it means the answer number 3 is C.
Yep.
And this ends up working.
Okay.
So then you use D, C, D again, and A. So the only one you haven't used is B, so 1 has to be B.
Oh, interesting. Okay. I actually think those are different than what your brother had. I think he said the only question with the same answer as this one is C. Or 3, question number 3, because that has a C. And
Yeah, that could work.
maybe that works too. Maybe there's multiple solutions. Who knows? Okay. But also, after you finish this, I gave you the 10 question test. I don't know if this fits all the way on the screen, but okay.
Alright.
What do you think of this one?
So this one, it definitely seemed like there can be multiple solutions.
Oh, okay.
So the first one I looked at 4. And I said the answer to question 6 was A.
Oh, okay. So your strategy was just C. See what happens?
See what happens.
Okay.
And then I just did then I just chose A again. I said the first question whose number is B. It's 3.
His answer is B is 3. Okay.
So 3 is B. So 10 is D. And that ends up working.
Okay. Oh, okay. Nice.
So then...
So that makes a little loop.
Yeah.
It goes from 4 to 6 to 3 to 10.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I looked at 5 next. And then just made it easy for myself. So I just said 5 has the same answer as 5.
Oh.
So I just chose C. And then I looked at 8. And then I chose E to make it, again, easy.
Okay.
So the number of questions, so the answer to question 9 is 0 letters away from this question at the answer, so 9 is also E.
Okay.
So the number of questions whose answers are vowels, so either A or E, is a multiple of 5.
Alright.
And right now, so I hadn't answered 1 yet, and I hadn't answered 7 yet. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4 vowels. So I needed to get to 5.
Okay.
And since 1's kind of on its own, I just chose E.
Alright.
So I got my 5 vowels. I also didn't choose A because for number 2. Because the number of questions whose answer is A is equal to the number of questions whose answer was... So I chose B here for C, which forced C to be here, and that gave you 2 C's and 2 A's.
So that all seemed pretty consistent?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It all ended up working.
What did you think of this kind of test?
It's weird.
It's weird. I'll get it on screen. It's weird.
It's like more of a logic puzzle than a test.
Yeah, I suppose. So what? Here's a question I asked your brother. What do you think it would be harder to do? Write this test or take this test?
Probably write the test.
Why do you think writing it would be harder?
Because you've got to make all these loops, and then if you accidentally mess one up, the test doesn't work anymore.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's pretty challenging to write. That's probably why you don't see a lot of these. Okay, cool. All right, good work this morning, huh?